Alright, hello everybody. Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about how I keep my desk set up so clean all the time. And before this video gets started, I want to thank you guys for over 100 channel views. It really means a lot to me. If you guys could also hit the subscribe button down below, that'd be very much appreciated. So now I'm going to get into the video. So first thing, it might seem obvious, but down here you see how I have a trash can? Always have a trash can in your room. It makes it easier to throw away random little things, keeps things from piling up on your desk, like sometimes food and drink bottles might pile up on your desk and you do not want that. I see too many people's setups that are like my friends and stuff that have a lot of just junk on their desk that could be thrown away and could make it so much cleaner, quicker. So that's my tip number one. Next is have a good source of organization or storage in your room. So I have this Alex drawer unit, which I use to keep everything that could be on my desk cleaned up in here. And I have these little containers that you could buy at Dollar Tree, and they really help just keep everything clean and organized in your desk. And see, like, I might use these notepads and stuff and I might keep them out here, but as long as it always has a place to go, I can put it away and it's easy and it will keep my desk more clean. Also, I have more organization type stuff under my bed. If you guys want to see a video on my room organization, just leave a comment down below. And like I said, guys, I use the Alex drawer unit as my main organization for my room to store all my stuff in. But they do make cheaper alternatives in like plastic that you can find at places like Walmart and Target. But I just prefer the Alex drawer unit. It's not too expensive. You can find it in many different colorways. And it's just really, it looks clean along with my setup and probably a lot of your guys' setups and many people's setups. So I just prefer using this IKEA Alex drawer unit, but there are cheaper alternatives such as Target and Walmart that have plastic drawers that could work just as well for organizing. Might not look as nice, but you could still make them look pretty good, so that's also another thing you could do. Okay, next is, I don't know if you can see, I haven't done this in around a week or so, but is dust. You gotta dust. Like, I use this thing right here to get into like small places and stuff, or places that it's hard to reach if this can focus. Got this at Staples. It's like air in a can, and you spray it. Like, you can spray it into places that are hard to dust maybe, and it just gets rid of all the dust nice and quickly. I like to use that. I also like to use this other tool. I'll pop it up on the screen now. That helps me reach into places to dust my desk and the top of my TV, the top of my monitors, my drawers, my messy, it's a little messy over here, but my dresser and this shelf up here as well. And finally we have cable management, which I'm not the best at, as you can see. Things like a headphone holder could help me be more organized with that, and maybe even wireless headphones, but I don't have those yet. Things like, if you have a wire on your keyboard like me, you could drill a hole into your desk if your desk allows that. You could feed it through the hole and you could make it look a lot cleaner. You could technically do the same with your mouse, but I like to have the mouse going off for when I'm playing games. It's easier to have a little bit more slack. It's nicer. But like things like this cable raceway back here keeps all my cables clean, makes my desk setup look a lot cleaner. And also having these monitor arms right here help my make it seem like there's not as many cables and stuff, because the cables are hiding behind the two monitors, which makes it look nice and clean. Now, you don't have to have like mountable ones like this. There's table mountable ones. You can also use the normal monitor mounts that come with your monitors. Just keep it clean and have it all right off in the same place underneath the desk. Obviously underneath my desk setup is a little messy right now, but you can always work on that type of stuff. So that's mainly my tips for how to keep your desk clean. If you guys have any other video ideas that you want to see, let me know in the comment section down below. And thank you guys for watching.